1. The world's population reached 7.9 billion as of September 2021. It is estimated to continue growing and is projected to reach 9.7 billion by 2050, according to the United Nations. 2. As of 2021, the COVID-19 pandemic has had a significant global impact. The virus, caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus, was first identified in December 2019 in Wuhan, China. Since then, it has spread to almost every country, leading to millions of infections and deaths, as well as significant social and economic disruptions worldwide. 3. In recent years, there has been a growing global awareness of climate change and its environmental consequences. The scientific consensus is that human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels and deforestation, are contributing to an increase